Hey everybody, real quick, just wanted to show you what to do when you get the form. So this is the Excel spreadsheet form, and as you'll see, I think we've got 21 responses so far. What you can do is when you get into this document, it's the link that I sent you, you're going to click, first you're going to see if all your people have filled out the form and all your people are done. You're going to go to File, Download as, Microsoft Excel, click on that, and what that's going to do is that is going to create its own personal Excel file completely unattached to the shared spreadsheet that we are sharing. So this is the Excel file that was just downloaded that is now on your computer somewhere, and then you can sort the information however you want. So for example, if you only want to grab your people, you're going to highlight C and you're going to go to, sorry, this is different. You're going to highlight C and then you would go to, if you have Mac, add a column, and it's column C, so we're going to select C and ascending, and we're going to sort now, and it just sorts all the information. Column C was the owner, so now I can just see all the information. Like if I'm Allie, I just want to see all my people, and then everything else you can get rid of because it's not attached to the other one, right? So just take it, delete it, hide it, do whatever you need to do, but then you can just work with your things right there, okay? So I hope that makes sense. If I totally confused you, please let me know.